Ethereum value forecast synopsis. Constant information shows Ethereum basically is exchanging at $2,637.90, which essentially is genuinely critical. Our Ethereum genuinely long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $169,990.79 and $195,538.54, or so they basically thought. Ethereum, ETH, in every practical sense, is gauged to generally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.00000022 toward the finish of 2025 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $37,723.36 mark, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, sort of is expected to generally arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $154,269.10 constantly 2040, which truly is genuinely critical. Starting around 11 January 2024, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $2,637.90 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.03% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH in every practical sense has a very complete market cap of $317,029,164,122, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,178,536,396 in an unpretentious manner. This for the most part makes Ethereum, ETH, genuinely positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of enormous manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum generally be worth in 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Ethereum a very wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, which essentially is very huge? Will ETH cost in every practical sense outperform its untouched high, or so they explicitly thought? These basically are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a very significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024, as per the Ethereum conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to in every way that really matters, cross a normal value level of $3,404.87, the normal extremely least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to generally be $3,311.13 amazingly. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at a really greatest value level of $3,918.36, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation January 2024. The cost for Ethereum in January 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $2,249.76 and $2,530.98, which most certainly is very critical. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $2,460.68 in an extremely large manner. ETH value figure February 2024. The Ethereum estimate for February 2024 expects that the ETH may basically arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $2,654.02, with an in every practical sense least cost of around $2,392.72 in a sort of significant manner. Discussing the sort of typical value ETH can in every way that really matters stretch around $2,509.89 for February, which explicitly is very huge. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture walk 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for walk 2024 may especially arrive at an especially least worth of $2,442.91, while the really most extreme estimated cost by and large is around $2,754.41. The truly normal cost for ETH in every practical sense is truly anticipated to fundamentally reach $2,560.09 in walk 2024 amazingly. Ethereum value estimate April 2024. The in every practical sense normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,662.49 toward the finish of April 2024 in an essentially significant manner. ETH could be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $2,882.42, with the base expected cost of $2,568.75 in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Ethereum essentially is supposed to generally be at around at least $2,625.19, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost can truly arrive at in every practical sense, limit of $2,988.92, with the very normal cost of $2,742.37 in United States dollars, or so they truly thought. ETH value gauge. The ETH cost could especially arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $3,000, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $2,881.13 in a quite huge manner. Ethereum value conjecture August 2024. The extremely normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could especially go to $2,996.38 toward August 2024, in a for the most part large manner's end. ETH could truly be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $3,381.98, with the very least expected cost of $2,902.64, or so they truly thought. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture September 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for September 2024 may in every practical sense arrive at a sort of least worth of $2,999.06, while the greatest determined cost generally is around $3,531.80. The typical cost for ETH generally is anticipated to truly reach $3,116.23 in September 2024 in every practical sense, significant way. ETH value conjecture October 2024. The Ethereum figure for October 2024 expects that the ETH may generally arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $3,656.45, with a sort of least cost of around $3,092.54, exhibiting how Ethereum value gauge August 2024. The normal cost of Ethereum, ETH, could go to $2,996.38 toward the finish of August 2024, which in every practical sense is very critical. Discussing the kind of typical value ETH can explicitly stretch around $3,209.72 for October in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum, ETH, value gauge November 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for November 2024 may in every practical sense arrive at an especially least worth of $3,000. The exceptionally normal cost for ETH for the most part is somewhat anticipated to generally reach $3,338.11 in November 2024, in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation December 2024. The cost for Ethereum in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $3,311.13 and $3,918.36, which generally shows that Ethereum, ETH, truly is expected